Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, today we are going to do the evaluation for computer, and it will check from um, primary 4, primary 5, primary
Okay.
6, JS1, and JS2. So here we just start from the primary 4 first. Here are the question of primary 4. We can start from part B. Question number 1, sir.
Okay. For the question number one, the blank tab has to make a picture ISO is picture format. The picture format tab has to make your pictures look awesome. Number two, okay. Number two, okay. Picture style lets you pick fun frames, shapes, and borders for your image.
Yeah, you must, I think you have to remove this one. Let you pick fun frames.
Yes.
No, this one. Yeah, this one. You just put this one just now, right?
Okay.
Let you pick fun frames. And for this question, from the question number 1, the answer is picture format, right?
Yeah, picture format.
So they have some kinds of tools that allow us to make
Yes.
our picture look awesome. So could you explain what kind of tools that contains in picture format?
So in picture format, we can add a picture style. So we can maybe we can do in correction like we make image more brighter.
Oh,
We can adjust position in picture
I see.
format.
Okay, question number 3.
So number three is if your picture is too dark, you can use correction to make it brighter. Number four, to check where your picture sits on the page, use the position tool.
Okay, wait a sec. Okay, now we go to question part C. Okay.
Okay, C short answer. If you accidentally make your picture look strange, what should you click? You can click reset picture,
Yeah.
or maybe you can use undo or control
Yeah.
Z scan.
Controls it. Yeah.
Number two, black is mixing things together is blend.
Mm.
Number three is thin is adding a light color over a picture. Number four is blurry. Blurry is something on the screen looks unclear.
Yeah. Blue. Right. Okay. Now. Wait, 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 wait. Let me change this one first. Okay. We can start from the question number 1. This is for primary 4. Primary 5. Yeah.
This really fun.
Yeah.
Number one, what should a strong password include? Is a strong password it must be include letters, numbers, and special symbol.
Okay.
So the answer is C. So number two, what can happen if your data is not secure? So the risk is your data is not secure is your information, personal information can be stolen. The answer is C.
Okay.
Okay, number three, what does authentication do? BCKCB is check who you are.
Yeah.
Number four, what can happen when there is a software issue? So the website might stop working.
Yeah.
Number five, which of these activities would be disrupted if the internet stopped working? Okay, the activities use internet, just see playing online game.
Yeah. This one.
Okay, this one, if the internet is not working, people can communicate with by making phone calls, sending text message, or talking in person. So it's true.
Yeah.
Okay, if the internet is not okay, we can use something not used by internet like phone call, SMS.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Number two, safety tool like software, antivirus, anti-spyware, and firewall helps protect your computer from cyber attack. Is true. So we can use software to defend our computer, or to anticipate virus. We can use install antivirus, anti-spyware, and use firewall.
Okay. Next, this is part C.
Okay, fill blank with answer. Number one means allow to do something. Got permission is authorize. It means allow to do something or got permission. Number two example of biometric authentication is fingerprint authentication, maybe face unlock is example of biometric authentication. Number three is a bug or small mistakes in computer program. Number four is using a fingerprint or face to unlock a device is called biometric authentication. And this is convert data into secret code is encryption. Encryption is converts data into a secret code, protects data from unauthorized access during transmission.
Yeah. Okay, it's correct. Now we move to primary six. Okay, let me change this one first. Okay, you can start from the question number one, sir.
Okay, number one, which of these can you not change in the modified style book? Okay, which one we cannot change is page number. We cannot
Okay.
change page number.
Next.
So what do you do first to change a style? We okay to change with okay, right click hyperlink page. Okay, we use right click the style.
Okay.
And what is the purpose of using columns in your magazine? Magazine is make reading easier. It's B.
Oh yeah. Question number three, not right? Question number three, yeah.
Which feature in Word help you add clickable link is hyperlink?
Yeah.
Number five is what should you include on your magazine cover page is we must include title, edition, and image.
Yeah, title, edition, and image. Okay. Yeah, screen, sir.
Okay, if you answer in blank, number one, its readability mean how easy it is to read and understanding something.
Sorry, sir. Can you come a little bit front?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's better now.
Okay, number two, the footer show the page number, okay, page number at the bottom of each page. Number three, a cover page show the title of the magazine, edition, and attractive image.
Yeah.
Number four, the group is where you find different style is a style group. Okay, style group is where you find different style in your document. Allow you quickly apply a set of formatting. This is styles. Allow you to quickly apply the set of formatting trees throughout your document.
Yeah, it's correct. Now we move to GH1, sir. Okay, we can start from here. This is true and false for JS1.
Okay, true and false. Number one, using a flowchart is helpful before writing a program because it helps you see the step and decision in your program. Make it easier to plan and avoid mistakes is true. We can use flowchart before we writing the code. Number two, debugging is the process of looking for error, call bugs in your code, and fixing them so the program works correctly. We can use a flowchart to identify errors systematically and fix them. It's true again. So we can use flowchart to identify error. That's why we use flowchart before writing a code. So we can compare our flowchart with our code to looking an error.
Yeah.
Number three, the inputs available of the microbit are a button, B button like sensor, temperature, and buzzer is false. A buzzer is an output.
Okay.
So the input only a button, B button like sensor, and temperature sensor. Number four, the outputs available on the microbit are compass, accelerometer, and buzzer. It's false again. Okay, because accelerometer is an input, not output. Number five, a Python library is a collection of pre-written code that you can use to add extra feature to your program is true. So we use a library in microbit. We use microbit library to help us to write the code can access the microbit.
Okay. Now this is short answer.
So answer, okay. In computing, blank refers to exchanging the content of position. Okay, in computing, swap refers to exchanging the content of position of two item, variable, list element, or hardware components.
Next.
A sensor can detect when object or its a movement sensor or accelerometer can detect when an object move or shake. Number three, the microbit can play a sound when the sound sensor hear a loud noise. Four, the diamond shape in a flowchart show where a decision is made.
Okay.
Number
Start.
five, okay, a flowchart help you plan and understand what a program should do. Flowchart help you plan and understand what a program should do.
Yeah. So this one, what is this one?
This is a field with input output, so we must type writing this element this device from microbit. Okay, this unit or element is input or output function. So microphone is input function. Let display its output. Buzzer is output. Accelerometer is an input. A button is an input.
Okay. Now, now we move to JS2. Okay, we can start from the discussion.
Okay, the bullet operator is when you want both condition to be true is and operator boolean. If you want the microbit to respond with either button O or button B, is press, you should use the OR operator.
Yeah.
Number three, the operator refers the condition. The not operator refers the condition. So it's true when the input is false. Number four, to check if both button A and button B button A and button B are pressed at the same time, you will use the same is an operator.
Yeah.
Number five, the microbit like sensor can detect value between 0 and 255.
Okay, 0 and 155. Okay, here we have already discussed about, already evaluated about the question from the homework, primary for on 3JS2. Now I will open some books here. Okay, let me open this one first. Maybe I will start from primary 5.
Number five.
Okay, so primary 5. Okay, this primary 5 will take from page 47 until
Page
50,
four.
47 until 57, right? So this is about data security. Here, could you explain about how to save our data in our computer? What is the things that we can do to save to or to make sure our file, our data in the computer safe?
Okay.
What is the things that we can do?
So in the topic, our topic data security. So when we data is sent from one computer to another, it is important to keep it safe. So how we can save our data is we can use the first is we can use the data. We can use encryption. Actually, in if data sent, this can be encryption. So we can sending a secret message. Okay, so this data we can maybe we can protect, give the password like a document. We can give the password for our document like Microsoft Word, Excel. It can be, or we can use maybe a tool like compression, like a zip. We can zip the file and give the password again. So the how we secure it's we using the password feature. Okay.
Okay, so this zip file allow us to lock the file. It means
The
if
zip file is we can add the password when the zipping the file.
so if we want to extract, we have to type the
Yeah,
password.
if you want to extract, it's adds the password to extract.
Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, this zip will be very effective, right? Sometimes even and also this zip will make our data become
Smaller.
yeah smaller, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's move to primary four. Here for primary four, we take from page 43 until 50. 40,
43.
43. Okay, here we talk about the formatting image. So, what is the function of formatting image actually, and how to format the image?
Okay, in Microsoft Word, we after we insert the image or picture, so we can doing something like we call formatting image. So how we do it is we must click or select our image, and after that we can click picture format tab. Okay, picture format tab, and after we click the picture format tab, we can see many tool picture style with what we can add to your picture. So maybe we can add a frame of for your our picture or border. Okay, frame or border is like the same, and maybe we can do correction for our images. Maybe it's like to the color is too old or like that or too dark. We can doing correction. We can use maybe make more brightness, add more brightness, or maybe it's like too old. We can add more saturation.
Okay, I see. So this formatting image is just like edit the image.
We editing the image. We can crop the image. We can position. So all operation to the image.
Okay, I see. Now we move to summary point. Okay, we will start from the primary six. Here we have the summary point of primary six. We can start from here. Question
Yes.
number one, sir. Adding styles to document.
So this summary point is tell how adding style to document. So first we do is we must select the text. After that we click home tab for the show for to show our style menu. Okay, after we click home tab, we can choose a style group in the home tab and we can choose the style what we want. So this is the style group, and we can
Okay.
choose cell style in here, cell style, operation
Oh
formatting
yeah.
is can. So we can choose after that. And to change a style, we must selected the text, and right click the style in style group. So the menu is in the right click menu. We can click modify like change a font size, color, alignment, and spacing. And we can choose a click format option for borders. So style is like we repeat the composition, maybe font size, or maybe for font color or font type. Maybe we use maybe like a heading composition. So we can use style. So it will use like a template of styling like that.
Okay, click from a format option like borders press. Yeah, I see this one. Maybe we can go to GIS1. Okay, let me open this first. GIS1, where is it? Yeah, this is the summary point of GIS1. Using sensors in programming. So please explain how to use the sensor in summary
Okay,
program.
using sensor in programming is mean we using a sensor that's built in our microbit. So our topic is programming in microbit. So microbit have many sensor we can use with our code with our Python. So number one is sensor collect data from environment. So what is sensor? Sensor is will collect data from environment, which means will gathering any data from this from around the device. Maybe if the sound sensor is will get data is like sound
Yeah.
around this from our microbit. Like sensor is like capture like how many like maybe we can use like sensor number sensor from 10 or 0 to 255. It's actually sensor is collect data, and the data will be used in our program. So number two, this data helps the program decide what to do next. So we can we can use the data is like condition, so we can decide what our program will do. Maybe if we use like sensor and we can detect it's too dark or too light, so we can decide, oh, if too dark is mean we need maybe we want to on the lamp, maybe we need to on the lamp, okay, or if it's too not dark, maybe it's bright, maybe we need to turn off the lamp next time. So what the sensor data is will being be our decide what to do next. So number three, sensor can detect touch, sound, like movement, and temperature. So this tell sensor can detect touch, sound. So it's mean sound sensor, like sensor is movement sensor and temperature sensor. It's all the sensor is built in our in microbit device. Number four, microbit has built-in sensor for this task. Okay, it's explained about point number three.
Oh yeah. Okay, I see. Thank you, sir. I think for the summary point, we are done with that. Now we move to vocabulary list. Okay, now we move to vocabulary list. We start from primary four. Here we have some words here. We can start from this is the first word. Uh, blend.
Blend is mixing together. In Microsoft Word, blend maybe is we mix a color, or maybe we can mix a picture to use in Microsoft Word. So if we mix color, it can be like a gradient,
Yeah.
like that. So if picture, maybe it's like we can combine a picture, but maybe we use transparency like that.
Okay. Color saturation.
Color saturation is mean how uh, how bright your color is, like that. If we have, if this picture have over saturation, maybe the picture will be have more color red, like red or deep blue, like that. Or maybe if this picture have more saturation, is like before I say over saturation, as it's mean of if more saturation is like the picture will be like more brightness and vivid, okay, vivid. But if less saturation, is the picture will be like a old picture, or the color may be like gray, near a gray, or pastel color.
Oh yeah. This one. Mm, color tone.
Color tone is we adding a grayscale to a picture. So it's a little different with a tint. A tint, if we tint, we add a white color, but tone is we add a grayscale color. So grayscale is mean uh, not a gray, but from white going to black, it's a grayscale. So maybe more black, more gray, more white, like that. So we adding grayscale to make a picture look soft, like look soft. That's okay. That's it for look soft, more soft picture.
Okay, I see. Now we move to primary five. Traits.
Thread is a part, a unique part of body. It's threads used in computing, like for authentication. Use for authentication. Maybe it's like we use like fingerprint authentication. Maybe face unlock and maybe retina authentication. So it's will come a unique part. So it will be different from one from to another one.
Okay. Recognition.
Recognition, we see something and we know what is it. So is it like in computing is for uh, computer can identify a object like that. So maybe we can see in a scanner device is use recognition to make a PDF file can editable. Is use recognition.
Yeah. Okay, now we move to primary six. We have copyrights.
Copyright is a special law that uh, protects our creativity works. Okay, some more creativity works like that. So it's what is copyright protect is like creativity work, like maybe like song or paint, okay, or maybe as about writing or maybe paper like that. So it's protect it from the order for not stolen or not using without permission like that.
Yeah. Okay. Portfolio.
Portfolio is a collection of our best work. So we use portfolio is a collection of what we doing, or maybe it's like a project portfolio, maybe it's like a painting, or maybe a paper. So why we need portfolio is the portfolio will show our skill, will show our maybe what we got or what we can do after we study over time.
Okay. Next, JHS1. JHS1. We have here represent JHS1.
Or represent is how information or data is trying to be understood with computer. So we can maybe in programming we can represent like a character or maybe a text or a letter. We must represent to binary code to understand with the computer. So
Yeah.
so like it's represent and we can use in code like that. So
Okay. I see. Next, library.
library is a collection of pre-written code. So library is pre-written code is something code already written and in have a feature. We can use the feature. Maybe an example for JS1. We use microbit library in Python to we can communicate. We can access the sensor, the output from the microbit. So it's the use from library. So we need library to more future that's already pre-written to connected with the device. That's it.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. I have asked from the homework book, summary point, and vocabulary list for this evaluation, and I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thanks, sir.
Okay, so thank you.